Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. This is March 22, 2018, and I can say that I've reached my 1,000th subscriber since February 20th, when the requirement to be in the YouTube Partner Program went into effect. And at that time, those that didn't have 1,000 subscribers were released from the program. Because before, you could just have a video, sign up for a partner program, and you could start making money off of your videos. Well, as of that date, the requirement now is 1,000, at least 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 watch minutes over a year period. So at that time, everybody was shut down. I had 200 subscribers to go to maintain the partner program. So I've received my 200 within the last 28 days. So and my 1,000th subscriber is Marcus Garcia. And Marcus, please comment on this video so I can get in touch with you personally, because I'd like to give you a gift for being that 1,000th subscriber. And that also brings me to the announcement that as of the 1st of April, I'm going to start giving back to my subscribers, and that is going to be by the subscribers watching my videos for at least the first 2 minutes and getting either a letter or a word in those first 2 minutes. And by saving that, and at the end of the month, I will be putting up a video requesting what it is that I have put in my videos. And the first subscriber, I want to call you my fan and friends, to comment and put in the phrase or whatever I've put in the video, I will be sending them a gift as well. So I'm not going to make it so everybody's got to watch all my videos all the way through. It's going to be right after the intro. There'll either be a phrase or there'll be a letter, and then you'll be able to put that together by the end of the month, and then put that in the comment. And if you're the first one to do that, then I will be sending you a gift. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to the next 2,000 subscribers. And I hope that I'm able to get the content out there to make my channel more interesting. So thanks again for being within my 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to comment, and if you're seeing this for the first time, please subscribe and join my channel. And we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs.